In this question, you're given that y is equal to tan inverse of this minus this by this plus this. Find dy by dx. So here also let us first try to simplify this expression. So what is the substitution that we do? So we have 1 minus x square as well as 1 plus x square. Have both of them. So if you want to remove all the square roots, the substitution that you're looking at is let x square is equal to cos 2 theta. So what happens to root of 1 plus x square? So root of 1 plus x square is root of 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to root of 2. This is 2 cos square theta, that is root 2 times cos theta. And root of 1 minus x square is root of 1 minus cos 2 theta, which is equal to root 2 times sin theta. So root of 1 plus x square is root 2 times cos theta, root of 1 minus x square is root 2 times sin theta. So if you do both the substitutions here, so this expression will become, as you can see, root 2's are going to get cancelled out. So you get cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So here I am not using mod because nothing is given about the range of x. So that means the person who have set the question is not expecting you to do the analysis of mod. So this, if you divide numerator and denominator by cos theta, you get 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, which is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus theta, tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. So y is effectively equal to pi by 4 minus theta. That is pi by 4 minus, what is theta? 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of x square. So theta is equal to half cos inverse x square. So theta is half cos inverse of x square. That is equal to pi by 4 minus half times. So this is y. So dy by dx is equal to pi by 4's differentiation is 0 minus half times minus 1 by root of 1 minus something square, that is x power 4 times 2x. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, minus and minus becomes plus. So you have x by root of 1 minus x to the power 4. So this is dy by dx.